Another myth, and this is truly a myth, is that spray foam damages wires and PVC piping. Many tests have been done on CPVC for chemical compatibility. When we make foam, we create a little bit of heat, so we want to look at heat distortion issues associated with spraying foam directly onto either wires or PVC, CPVC piping, drainage. And we've done all that. And there's all kinds of tests that have been conducted. They're available on the website of the Spray Polyurethane Foam Alliance, the Trade Association, SPFA. All this information is out there. We do not damage pipes. We do not damage household wires.
To help you understand a little bit more about spray foam and to help you integrate it into your operation, I've created educational courses on my website at letstalkpur.com, or you can click on the link in the video description. I encourage you to check them out. I'll see you there.